Hello everyone, this is Frank, from Free Design Studios. In this tutorial we shall be looking at the second method I use in adding my interlocking stones and my grasses or green area on my site. In our previous tutorial I taught you how you can use the massing and site method. But in this tutorial, we are going to use my second method, which is using the extrusion tool. The extrusion tool. And like I told you, these two materials or these two methods have their advantages and disadvantages. If you want to build a swimming pool in your site, I advise you use the extrusion method. But then, the extrusion of the interlocking stone will eat up the height of your DPC. If you're using a height of 450 millimeters or 600 millimeters for your DPC, and when you have introduced the interlocking stone using the extrusion, I tell you, if the thickness of your interlocking stone is 100 millimeters, for example, it will eat up into the 450 millimeters for your DPC. Your DPC will no longer be 450 millimeters, it now becomes 350 millimeters. But with massing and site method, which was the first method we used, the height of your DPC is not tampered with. The height of your DPC remains the same because the interlocking stone just appears as if it is just a paint on the floor. It has no thickness. With massing and site, your DPC, your interlocking stones has no height. It has no thickness. But with extrusion, there is thickness. But then the advantage with extrusion is that extrusion will enable you to cut open the portion you want to use as your swimming pool. As your swimming pool. So please, if you're watching this video and you know of any method one can use to still cut open the massing and side interlocking floor, you can share with us on the comment section. So let's hit the ball rolling. Now I go to my natural ground level. I want to increase the size or the offset from the back of my building, so to enable me create my swimming pool here. So I go to dimension, I click here, I go here. So I would like to make it at least 7.5 meters, so it can accommodate swimming pool. So I delete this. When I deleted this, what do I do next? I'm still on natural ground level, so I go to components, click on model in place, click on OK, OK again. Then this time around I go to extrusion, click on extrusion. Then I sketch the area I want to extrude, or I may decide to go to rectangle here and click like this and go like this. So when I've done this, I click finish. When I click finish, I come here to add the thickness, because I don't want this to eat so much into the height of my DPC. Let's make this 5. Make it 5. Then you come to material. What material do you want to apply? I click on this and click on ellipsis. Then I go to interlocking material. Here is my interlocking material. I click on this, I click OK, and I click finish model. If I go to default 3D view, this is what I'm going to see. This is my interlocking stone. So I have to also create my green area. So I think I should reduce this. This my interlocking stone shouldn't get to the fence, to enable me create my green area also using the extrusion method. So what do? Let me create my curves first. Let me create my curves. To create the curves, I go to natural ground level, I go to architecture, components, model in place. Okay, okay. Now I go to sweep, click on sweep, click on sketch path. Then I go here, I go to offset, offset by 900 millimeters away from my fence. So I go around like this. I go around like this. I come back to offset and make this 0 so as to connect these two. So when I've done that, I go to fillet arc, click on this and make the radius 600 millimeters. When I've done that, I come here. So finish edit mode, click on finish edit mode, select edit profile, select south, open view, then I sketch 100. Sorry, this should go out. 100, 150. Then I start from here, 225. Enter. I go like this. 50. Enter. Then I join this together. Then I delete this. I click this. I click finish again. Then I click finish for the last time. So if I go here, you'll see what I've done. So I'm going to take away my interlocking stone and bring it out so that I can put my grasses, or I can even leave it there. Let's just leave it and create the grasses above the interlocking stones. Yes. So I go to natural ground level again. This time around, what am I going to do? I go to architecture, go to components, model in place. Okay, okay again. Extrusion. Then I start to sketch. I sketch around this area alone, where I'm going to have my green area. Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. So look at what is happening here now. This my curves has fallen outside. It has fallen into the gate area, which means I should have offsetted it by 100 millimeters. So you should always take note of that. So I go here, I go here, I go here, and I come here and end it. So I have to give it a thickness that is above my interlocking stone so that it can cover the areas where the interlocking stones are. So I come to extrusion end. This extrusion end simply means the thickness. I click on it. The thickness of my interlocking stones is 5 millimeters. So I have to make this one like 10 millimeters, or even I can even make it as much as 150 millimeters, so it can come up a bit. So let's make it 150 millimeters. Then assign a material to it. What material? Grasses. So look for grasses. This is grasses. Click on grasses. Select grasses and click OK. Then click finish. Click finish again. So now you go here. Click on default 3D. You can see it now. This is what we have. This is what we have. So let me rotate this building. So like I told you, the advantage of using this method is that I can come here now and cut open. I can cut open this place and dig a hole. What that simply means that I can dig a hole here. I can dig a hole here for my swimming pool. But I discovered that when I was trying to create a hole like that using massing and sight, I was not able to do it. But I'm still researching on that. I'm still making my research on that. Once I discover that it is possible, I will also let you know. Thanks for watching this video, and do not fail to share this video and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever we share or release our videos, you will be notified. Thanks for watching once again, and have a nice day.